Hey guys, this is my outdoor spigot, and the problem with this guy is this guy leaks everywhere. Can you move? Yeah. So this one, really, can you move? There it is. So this one has this vacuum breaker attached to it, and if you live in the colder region, this is required by the city, and it's a code that's a plumber needs to meet. And back then you got to have this one. The problem is this is crimped to this spigot, and you can't just remove it. You literally have to cut this guy to remove it from the spigot. So this is common if you live in places where winter is hot and temperature goes down below freezing. And what you do in winter is you push this guy up and release the airlock and release all the water that is stuck in the pipe so it doesn't freeze. So in this video we're going to see how to fix this leak, and in most of the cases the problem for the leak is probably this guy. If you can focus, there's a washer that's supposed to be here and that's missing, and this spigot came with the house, which is like probably 10 years 15 years old. So maybe the washer just to the weather element, it just gave up. Yeah, so here is a replacement o-ring that I bought from Amazon. This one cost me $10 for a pack of 100. You can just buy one, so it comes either in a 50 pack or 100 pack, so it's like 10 cents each. Much better, cheaper option than getting your plumber and come and do the same thing for you. So we're gonna take one and slide it in and see what happens. Okay, so here's the ring. Just gonna slide this guy in, and this is gonna sit in the groove here, just like that. Okay, now if you try to push this guy in, it's gonna be really hard for you to push it in. So what you're gonna do is just apply a dab of kitchen oil or grease or whatever you have, so this guy slides down. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply oil just like that. I think that should be enough, and let's see. There you go. So now that is okay. Okay, so that looks good, and that's nice and tight. Hopefully this fixes the leak. Let's see what happens now. Still leaks a bit on the side. Okay, still leaks bit on the side, and I think that's because of the oil that we put here. So I'm just gonna wait for a few hours and then come back. Okay, so it's been 12 hours since I put the washer. That should have given enough time for the oil to dry. So let's see if it can leak or not. Can you move? Look at that. It's no leak. And this guy is happy. So 10 cents to fix the leak. Hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching.